Today we will discuss Zotero software. Zotero that is used to write down the reference in the paper. Otherwise, manually it is very difficult to put the reference in the paper because whenever we change any reference, whole sequence we need to change. It is very simple. For that, firstly, you can see I have opened one library. Like I'll take the fresh example so that you can easily understand. Just here write down name of that library collection. We write down ABC, then create. Fine, this is a new library I created. For it we need to have DOI number. For example, I take this paper. So for citing research paper into Zotero, we need to copy DOI, paste it with the help of Control C, or you can do like this also. Copy, then open Zotero, press here. See, after that you can change it in any format. This is a way to add the reference in the Zotero. Now I tell how you can add the Zotero reference in your paper. For example, this is a paper. Here I need to put the reference I added in the Zotero library. For that, firstly you need to add on Zotero plugin in the Word also. Then click it. Then mention here and go to that library. Yes, add it. Click it. See, this is added. It is very easy. After that, now I tell you here also how you add the bibliography. Otherwise, in the end, we need to add the bibliography. For that, you need to go to the end, like where you mention reference. Then go to here, add bibliography. And here we need to select the library. We need to choose the library. Okay, in the end, it shows, as I tell you, like there is a reference in the end. You can see this reference we have added here automatically, that is added at the bottom. Now you can see when I delete it, if I delete it, automatically it will be deleted from here also. Okay, I delete it. Automatically it will be deleted from the paper also. See, now it is deleted from the paper also. There are the different style by which we can add it. This is one of the style by which we add the research paper. For that we need to have their DOI. Like here DOI ISBN number, that is for the book, or PMID, that is again for the research paper. If sometime we are not able to quote the reference from the DOI, for that we need to upload the PDF file with the help of this one, add file. Directly we can add the PDF. All the information automatically it will be added in the Zotero. Fine. Automatically, it is very simple. And if you want to add any website, for that you need to mention here add web link. Here you can mention, for example, at WHO. Here I mention title WHO, and here the link of that WHO. Before to that, you need to download the plugin Zotero also. Fine. Here you can done, save it and paste it. Automatically it is there. Fine. It is very easy to add the website also. It is all about how you can add cite or cite the reference as well as the bibliography in the research paper, because manually it is very difficult. I hope you like this video. If you seriously like, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.